Welcome back to the ICEMAN Market Watch. My name is Alberto Perez. Today, I'm going to walk you through Tesla. So we're looking at Tesla here, and we're looking at some key levels. I'm going to take you into a shorter time frame in a moment, but I just want to give you an overall context to what we're looking at Tesla here. So what you'll see here is they had a huge gap. So there was a huge sell-off. This was due to earnings. So you'll see that their earnings came out on the 22nd. It had a huge sell-off, and then it bottomed out down here around 297. And so it started getting bought up from here. And then now what we've done, we're potentially looking to at least come back and grab some of this liquidity that's there. So this particular falling window runs from 372 to 342. So about a $30 window. Now, what I am looking for as a day trader on 0DTE come Monday morning, I want to show you here what I'm going to be looking for. So what I want to see happen, you'll see we have a pretty big indecision zone right here. And this decision zone basically just means that I don't want to be trading in here. So anything from here to here, I just really don't want to be trading. And I know some people might say, well, look, you could take the move from here, all the way up here. And that may be an option. The problem is if I don't get enough institutional participation, then all they're doing is just positioning themselves here. And what's happening is you just become liquidity, right? So you go down, you come up, you baseline here, you come up a little bit more, you sell back off, and now you're channeling in a smaller decision zone. So you'll see right here, this decision zone right here, that's a smaller one compared to this bigger one. This one's on a higher time frame. So all in all, I would look to clear the entire area first. This would be the whole area I'd be looking for. And then what I want to do is I want to get up here. Here's where I really want the move. I want price to get accepted above and then go this way. Now, if I'm looking for acceptance, let me show you exactly what I'm looking for, because a lot of people think that as soon as it breaks, that's when they want to start chasing the move. And you don't want to do that. What you want to do and what I'd be looking for is this. I'd be looking for it to break, come up, probably a good decent amount, a good expansion acceptance, and then come back. I'd almost want it to come back in a little bit before would come back out. That would be one option. The other option that I'd be okay with as well would be the more obvious one, where you break through, come back and hold that perfectly, and then we'd look to take that to the upside right there. Now, if I'm looking to the downside, I'm going to be looking to get below 326.52. Now, this one is going to be a little bit more on the riskier side from a short time frame. And the reason for that is because what we have down here is we have an actual rising window along with a really strong support zone. So all in all, this whole area really serves as a support zone, the whole entire thing. So from we got 321 all the way down to about 315. Okay, as a day trader, I would be looking at that as more of support. I wouldn't even look about puts until I got below here. So puts would go from here to here. However, there could be a potential just manipulation because this is accumulating right now. So where you get a manipulation going down and then traps people and then just skyrockets back up. So that would be, if I'm going to take this position more on a higher risk side, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for it to come down, hold, come down. And I'm going to be taking my profits pretty quickly because I don't know at what point they might want to buy that up. Now, of course, if I see institutional participation and it's selling off pretty nicely on a higher time frame, well, then of course I'll go ahead and take it all the way down to this target. So those are the two moves that I'd be looking for come Monday morning. Again, no trade in here. I'd look to get up here and then look to get down here. Now, if in the market open, this already starts at the bottom, then my best move is going to be coming down here, grab some liquidity and start moving up. I will take that trade too. So essentially I would be looking for the trade to go like this. And that's what I'd be looking for the trade. On the upside, if the market opened downward, then I'd be looking to buy it from down here. So we'll see how it plays out. We're gonna see what it does Monday morning. I won't predict anything. I'll just watch it. And so that is gonna be my Tesla for Monday morning and see what it does. Stay tuned.